In need of a landscape lighting designer? Book an appointment with us. Here's how you do it. Contact our office via phone to speak with a customer service representative. They will inquire about your project to determine the service you need, whether it be safety, security as a deterrent, or adding creative solutions to your home's lighting needs. From there, they'll take down your name, phone number, email, and project address. Once we finalize the appointment, you will receive a confirmation email. A reminder email will also be sent 24 hours before your appointment. One of our lighting designers will visit you on site to discuss your lighting design and provide an estimated quote. Then, our customer service representative will call you to schedule a design installation appointment. Our lighting designer will come back to your house to install an LED lighting system. Then, you're left with a beautiful LED landscape lighting system. It's that simple. Visit our website, www.outdoorlightingnow.com, or call us to book your appointment or to learn more information.